Party people, we got another project. We got a 2003 what is it? An FZ1, a Yamaha. It's been sitting for 8 years. The guy said he took the front brakes off to do the front brakes 8 years ago and couldn't do it, and the bike's been sitting ever since. It's got new tires on it. Well, they were new 8 years ago, but it looks pretty decent. I must have got this mixed up with another guy I was messaging, because I was under the impression that the tank was clean, and then when I get there the key wouldn't open it up, which is a sign that everything's jack in there. And now that this bike's been sitting in the 100-degree sun for hours, it's all, the varnish is like bubbling up out of there. I sprayed WD-40 in there to let it soak in to see if this key will finally open the cap. It was turning a little, but oh my god, it's not venting. There's crazy pressure in there. That's crazy. I've never seen that. Anybody else ever seen that before? The key won't even go in at all now. That's crazy. You can hear it. I've never seen that. Man, learn something new every day. The desert does crazy things to bikes. Why won't the key go in? Let's try the other one. Oh, that one goes in. Yeah, it turned a little bit, but not enough to release it. This is crazy how it's all bubbling like that. I wonder if this tank would pop sitting out here. I don't want to break the key. Oh, that's wild. Never seen that before. We cleaned the tank, cleaned the carbs, came with a new chain also. But it really don't look bad. It's got little scratches like this on both sides. I got the covers that come with it. Yeah, we got to get this down in the garage. It's hot today. It's like 100 degrees out. I think you said it had 25,000 miles. I really wish this key would open. I want to see inside this tank. I already know it's junk though. I might just leave that in there to vent. Hot diggity dang, we're doing the great shuffle. We got a bunch of stuff. Pulled out the old Red Dragon. Somebody's got to buy this thing. Or I got to just start driving it more. But we're going to get this off. Man, I've been shuffling stuff all around. I had to move cars, this, that. We need some room to work. one. Oh, it's pretty good here. Yeah, not too bad. Dang, it's hot out here in the desert. It's still 100 degrees. Yeah, I think while I'm out here sweating my butt off, I'm gonna just wash this thing real quick. And then probably mess with it tomorrow. I'll do another little quick thing about all the stuff I got with it too. But there it is. Got another plate for my collection. Look at that big old muffler, eh? Man, I got a shorty Kaufman for my 02R1. I wonder if it'll fit on this. That would be kind of cool. Yeah, let me wash this quick. It's got some cobwebs on it and stuff. I'll clean it up. Alright, let's go over this. It's a 02 Yamaha FZS 1000. Clean title, 25,000 miles. This is the guy said he bought new tires, new battery, new chain 8 years ago. Obviously the tires, the front still got the nubbies on it. It hasn't even been ridden, but I mean that's kind of old, 8 years. And the battery, if it's new, it's gonna be no good by now also. But this thing cleaned up pretty good. He attempted to do the front brakes, and I see one of the, I'll show you. I didn't even notice this till just now. But on this one caliper, the puck came out. I don't know what he did there. That's interesting. So we'll either get a used caliper or a rebuild kit. But he took apart the front brakes, and now, you know, when he said, oh, I couldn't figure it out, I know what he did now. The puck came out. I don't know how the hell he did that, but other than that, it's in pretty good shape. It's got some light scratches here, some over here, and a dookie repair. And this clutch cover's got a little scratch on it, but other than that, it's pretty nice. And this front rim has a little road rash. Yeah, it looks pretty good. We gotta clean the carbs, get the tank open, clean the tank. I've been spraying WD in here to try to get this tank open. It's turning a little bit, but I think even if it does turn, the little locking tab isn't moving itself. So we're probably gonna have to take these out and maybe drill the hole if there's an extra one in there. But yeah, it came with a new chain. I'll have to buy a master link. Says he doesn't know if that's the new or the old battery, but it's definitely no good. Came with a helmet. I don't wear used helmets, but if someone buys a bike and they come here with nothing, hey, I got a helmet for you. We got the climber repair manual. We got the plastics that go on the front here, so it is a complete bike. And then we got the toolkit. In this box, we got a set of frame sliders, a set of flush mount blinkers. I'll definitely put these on compared to these big dookies. Looks like little resistors for the LED lights. And then even some bar ends, which I think I like these better than these. I've never seen this with the spring on there. I wonder if that's supposed to help with vibration or something like that. And then over here is all the brake parts. You know, it looks like he's got all the hardware. And then right here is the piston that came out of the caliper. So maybe we can rebuild it. And there was two jackets. There's a first gear jacket. This one actually feels pretty heavy. It's got all the pads and everything, but it's a small. And then this other like kind of old school Yamaha jacket. This I kind of like this. It's too small for me, but I have that mannequin behind my motorcycle chair. Maybe I'll put a helmet and this jacket on the mannequin there. It's a cool like retro jacket. Yeah, there you go. You can see it a little better there. This is Yamaha across the back there. I like how the whole inner liner says Yamaha and has the, let's see if you can get a better look at that. There you see it's got the Yamaha and the logo in there. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, and we got another wheel stand. Got a gang of these bad boys now. But yeah, I'm not gonna mess with this tonight. We'll get I'll probably just get a rebuild kit for that. Or, I mean, if it's like 30 bucks for a used caliper, I'll probably just get a used caliper. And then we'll get the tank off, the battery out, and work on getting those carbs off. I'm gonna have to clean those carbs. Put her all back together. I'm pretty confident it's gonna fire. The guy seemed pretty legit. He didn't seem like a total dope or like one of these meth heads out here. He was just an older guy that said he was just kind of getting rid of all his projects. He had some cool old Volkswagens. I wish I had a bigger garage. I would ask what he was. He had 2 Volkswagen buses. Those are worth some good money nowadays. And they weren't all rusty like the ones on the East Coast. It was actually, they were solid looking. But yeah, this is a cool little bike. Let's see what happens. I'll get to it. This is getting warm, so you really gotta be motivated or come out here at night. This has been running great. I've been putting some miles on this thing. And if we get this running, I'll definitely try to sell this a little harder. And then we're waiting on parts for the CR125. I did the plastics, the silencer, it's running. I just need to do, I'm waiting for the rear shock and the front fork seals and fluid. And then we'll button that all up. But I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching.